everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, what is the bank code for Abu Dhabi? First Abu Dhabi Bank. So the basic and verified bank code for the First Abu Dhabi's bank is the Swift BIC code. The primary Swift BIC code for Abu Dhabi's bank in the United Arab Emirates is MBADAEAAXXX. Here's a breakdown of what that means. You see, MBAD, this is the bank code for First Abu Dhabi Bank, originally National Bank of Abu Dhabi. AE, this is the country code for the United Arab Emirates. AA, this is the location code for Abu Dhabi. And XXX, this part is optional and represents a specific branch. If you're sending money to the head office, you may use MBADAEAA without the XXX. Or sometimes MBADAEAAXXX is used to donate to the head office. For specific branches, the XXX will be replaced by a 3-character branch code. For international transfers, you will most likely need a full 11-character code, which includes a specific branch code. It's always recommended to confirm the exact Swift BIC code with the recipient or the bank directly to ensure the funds reach the correct account. Hope you found this video helpful.